Hello. If you are having Bluetooth connection issues or Bluetooth instability issues with your eSense EEGenius using your internal Bluetooth of your computer, there is a solution for that. With every eSense EEGenius device, we include an external Bluetooth USB stick for Windows. I'll show you now how to use that. You go to your device manager of your computer, and then you see this. You unfold the Bluetooth devices, clicking here, and then you see different entries. It's a bit of a challenge now to find out which entry is your internal Bluetooth device. In my case, it's the Intel Wireless Bluetooth, but it can also be named differently. For sure, it is not this one and not these two. And here I also have two Bluetooth devices paired. There you can have more, or you can have none. To deactivate the internal Bluetooth, which you have to do first before you can use the external stick, you right-click on it and say device deactivation. Here it's in German, Gerät deaktivieren. And then you get a little message showing, okay, then it will not work anymore, sure. And then you see a good sign that you have deactivated the correct device is that all the other devices disappeared, all the other entries here. So now I can plug in the included USB stick from our site into my computer, and we watch what appears then here in Bluetooth. You see now Windows recognized the stick, installed the default driver, and it's now called generic Bluetooth radio. This is the external Bluetooth stick, and we also have these other entries before that we had for the internal Bluetooth. Now the stick is also blinking and working. You can go to eSense-EEGenius.com in the Chrome browser and log into your account, hit connect there, and start using the eSense EEGenius now without problems with the Bluetooth connection. If you want to revert that and use your internal Bluetooth again, you just remove the USB Bluetooth stick from your computer. Let's do that now. And you see everything will disappear again, and you will have only the deactivated internal Bluetooth left. Do a right click, click on device activation again, and then you see it's easily everything activated again, and you can continue using your internal Bluetooth for other purposes. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.